Captain's log. Star date 12:45. Post the freeze. Me and my crewmates are exploring the desolate wasteland to see what we can recover. All hope is lost. Captain's log 0307. Post freeze. My crew and I are here trying to make the most of the situation. We're cooking save me soup with cooked Cass. We have our other crewmate on snow shoveling duty.
Look at the beautiful picture. No, look at the beautiful picture he created.
Yeah, we have something to keep morale up in the crew. Hopefully, when help comes, they'll send us what we really need. Captain's log, stardate 213, post freeze. We've resorted to going into our vessels and using what remaining heat we can salvage. And I keep sliding everywhere. It's fun. We've also resorted to using an ancient technique from the Northerners of putting our booze in the snow, because guess what? Our fucking refrigerators aren't working.
Priorities.
Trulies. I got Trulies for sale. Trulies for sale. I got Truly beer. I got a beer for sale. Bill for sale. That'll be $3.50. $3.50 for the Truly.
Sure.
Ma'am, $3.50.
I'm sure we can come to an arrangement. We'll figure it out. Yeah. Yeah.
Captain's log 0225, post freeze. The children have all frozen to death. No remains to be found. Captain's log 0600, post freeze. Me and the pirates have been drinking our grog. Cook Cassie is cooking some frozen chicken. We're gonna ensure that it hits the internal temperature of just good enough. We're thinking of making tacos, maybe. Whatever we can haul in and make. We have a candle for warmth at night and light. Other than that, we're gonna have to go pirate mode with the eye patches. The raiders, we're expecting them to come by 8 p.m. so we'll have to ensure that everyone's inside and the doors are locked. We don't want any commotion. The trading posts have all closed down for the day, and we're just bunkering in, preparing for the night. End of Captain's log.
Meh. What's up, Dad? Hey, kids. You like violence? You like 6-inch nails inside one of your eyelids? Hi, my name is what? My name is who? My name Chicka Slim Shady. Ah!
Captain's log. It is 0512, 2 days post freeze. I've been trying to reach the rest of my other crews to no avail. Me and the cook have been okay, and my local crew have made it okay. We went to an outpost and spent the night. We've stocked up on supplies as of today. Supplies that matter as of today. Godspeed. Captain's log. Stardate 0121. Many days post freeze. I'm happy to report that my crew and I have safely weathered the formidable storm. We managed to survive through perseverance, ingenuity, being dirty for a long time, but we have power, we have water. I had many a pipe freeze in the vessel. We got it taken care of, so we're thankful. Could have been worse, but hey, we'll take it. So I think the only thing left to say is, I don't know, survive. Thanks everyone for tuning in. Captain's Log out.